Many students in Hong Kong have eye defects, such as short sight and long sight. We usually wear spectacles to correct these defects. As technology advances, we can now correct these eye defects with a surgical procedure called LASIK. What actually is LASIK? Let us take a look at the surgical procedures. This lady is going to have LASIK surgery today. After entering the operation room, the doctor first checks the patient's record to ensure that no mistake could happen during the surgery. After confirming the data, the patient has to lie on the bed. The doctor will first place a lid holder on her eye to prevent it from blinking. Throughout the whole surgery, she has to keep looking at the big flashing red light in front of her eye to minimize eyeball movement. A few numbing eye drops are dropped onto her eye to reduce pain. After the above steps, the doctor is now going to cut out a flap on the patient's cornea, and her vision will temporarily get dimmer. The doctor will then flip the flap to show the inner tissue of the cornea and switch on the ultraviolet laser. The laser beam reshapes the cornea to correct the eyesight of the patient. After reshaping, the flap is placed back to its original position. It will readhere with the cornea in seconds without the need for stitches. Lastly, the doctor will drop several eye drops onto her eye to prevent inflammation. After the LASIK surgery, the patient can get back to work in 1 or 2 days. However, she needs 6 months or more to obtain her best vision. Although LASIK surgery can correct our eyesight defects, we should know that prevention is better than cure. If you want good eyesight, the best way is to protect our eyes well.